If I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, if I die today.
Cold flows for a cold mind, see a new world, but I'm so blind. Kick rocks when your time's up, better start digging like a coal mine. Cold heart, seen cold times, it's a bold move, but the sunshine raise up when you...
Good morning, Ada family. It's Satoshi Boomin coming at you with another video. Guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, all that good stuff. I got my hot tea and honey locked and loaded, ready to go. Let's get this show started. Guys, we're talking about Cardano today, and we got some good news. Good news coming out of IOHK. Today, they have released the beta version of the integrated Plutis application backend. This is what we've been waiting for, and have now invited our developer community to try it out on the Cardano testnet, put it through its paces, and provide us feedback. This is what we've been waiting for all of our favorite DEXs, all of our favorite DeFi projects, and all of our favorite smart contract projects to be released finally on the Cardano mainnet, guys. This I'm not a dev, and I'm not smart enough to be a dev, guys, to be honest, but this stuff is kind of like, I don't know, the application backend. It allows developers to easily implement what they want to implement on the Cardano blockchain in a more easy, user-friendly manner. That's what I got through it. This marks a significant milestone in the DeFi journey on Cardano, simplifying on-chain smart contracts integration, smoothing the route between the app deployment. Thanks to dozens of projects built on Cardano, we will continue to work closely with our developer community on Discord. Next week, we'll ramp things up with program of readiness meetings with some of the projects closest to final audit and deployment. You can find out more about the ecosystem projects by visiting our essential repo, which I've shown you guys on many occasions. I'll show it to you again here. So right here on the GitHub, guys, I've been using a lot of different places, but you can find everything that is on Cardano that your little heart desires. We got wallets, we got metadata, we got native tokens, we got DEXs, decentralized exchanges, we got DeFi. You know, you just go here, you click this right there, all the DeFi projects right here, guys. So anything your little heart wants to research, we got it on the GitHub, okay? If you want me to put a link, I'll put a link. I should probably put a link there just so you guys know. So this is cool. We've been waiting for this for a while, like a while. You can currently do smart contracts and deploy right now, but a lot of companies and a lot of potential partners have been waiting for this Plutis application backend. So once this is released, I think we're going to start to see a rush of our favorite DeFi applications come onto the mainnet. All right, so this is good news. Quickly, we're going to go run through a status update, and then today we are going to be talking about Smart Audit Contract Token. Tomorrow, I will do a breakdown of Pavia. Okay, Pavia is a metaverse project. I know people are, you know, hopping on all the metaverse projects. Decentraland is pumping a lot of that stuff, so I want you guys to be aware of it. So we're going to be talking about Pavia tomorrow. Today, we're going to be talking about Smart Audit Contract Token, though, so stay tuned for that. They're doing an ISPO, so if you guys are interested in that, yeah. So Daedalus team, optimized Daedalus startup sequence. So hopefully Daedalus will be a little bit faster. I think they're going to be working on that, you know, throughout the life cycle of Daedalus, because you got to remember it downloads the entire Cardano blockchain. So that's why Daedalus is slow, and you kind of need a decent computer to run it. They're also introducing discrete mode to hide transaction amounts and wallet balances. That is definitely good. The Adestria team maintained their focus on the integration of wallet backend Plutis. They're working on ETE tests, automation, and all that good stuff. Networking team completed the IV6 support P2P functionality, worked on the fork counter, and also simulated socket tests. They reviewed the P2P master branch and all that good jazz. DevOps team prepared Node 1.31.0, released deployment on the next Flake support and made Brit Grandfra updates to improve declarative alerts. Finally, they worked on the propagation delay dashboard for Cardano Ops. The decentralization team included the new benchmarking memory usage tool in the repository. Benchmarking results allowed them to focus on target improvements. The team worked on sharing stake among snapshots, incrementally computing the stake distribution and reward calculation in a uniform way, and fusing 3 maps key to the stake credentials. In the Gogan team, the Plutis team worked on compiler optimizations for smaller script outputs and ran some additional benchmarking tests. The Marlowe team worked with the education team on planning for the Marlowe Pioneers program, which is going to be lit. They also applied some fixes to the Marlowe Playground client and worked on Marlowe Run improvements. So IOHK is definitely at work. I did not mean to click on that. Hopefully I get some Brave token for that. And we're moving on. Thank you to OneCom, ticker symbol 1COMM, for sponsoring this video. Guys, get your coins off of Coinbase. I know you got them on Coinbase. I know you got them on Binance. I know you're staking with all of the major stake pool operators out there. But guys, in order to support the Cardano ecosystem, to truly support the Cardano ecosystem, we stake with small stake pool operators on this channel. So go ahead, stake with OneCom, ticker symbol 1COMM. These guys have been around since the incentivized testnet, and they are constantly producing blocks each and every epoch. I think this epoch they produced 2 or 3 blocks, so that's good. All their information will be in the pinned comment down below. Thank you to OneCom, ticker symbol 1COMM, for sponsoring this video. We really appreciate and love your business here. So stake with them, and we're moving on. All right, guys, so we're doing the quick review of Scatdao. This is smart contract audit token funded by Project Catalyst, and it's a DAO that allows smart contract audits in a decentralized, independent manner. So not too many people know about it. Only has 786 followers. It's been mentioned by Hoskinson, the Hosk. Let's take a listen.
Contract audit token. Smart contract audit token, SCAT Scatdao. Smart contract audit token, SCAT
See,
Scatdao.
like that's pretty cool.
Smart contract
I mean,
audit token, SCAT
CAT-DAO. Pretty cool here, guys. OneCom has this as well. Recently funded in the Catalyst 6. And targets to ensure Catalyst funds are being spent on projects and to release funds as they progress. So there's a lot of cool stuff here, guys. They have a video of how they're going to run through things as well. This is smart contract audit token. Let's take a look at this here. So this is Charles reading them off again. So there's a token. Okay, obviously, because it's smart contract audit token, there's a token that goes along with it. Owning the token gives the holder the rights to submit proposals or suggestions that the community can vote on these proposals, and to vote on what projects are selected for a smart contract audit. It solves the problem of audits. Typically, companies pay for audits, and if you pay for audits, that can lead to biases. That can lead to, you know, overlooking some of the flaws in the smart contract, and it could be a little bit untrustworthy. So we need a decentralized way to do that. The conflict of interest of audit firms accepting compensation directly from the client they are auditing has always seemed like a ticking time bomb. Anyone that is seen in the industry has had to deal with, how am I going to explain this to my client? We've seen the big 4 firms hiring regulatory bodies to audit them in order to try to go light on all their other clients. And that's why, you know, we need a decentralized manner in order to audit some of these smart contracts. The DAO token, the Scatdao token, you can use for governance as well. So you'll be able to vote on different proposals. You'll be able to vote on, you know, the changes to the token ecosystem. So here is the website itself. They solve audits. They've seen Ingram, Tyco, and countless others. The possibility always exists for an auditor to commit fraud to keep their client happy. With Scatdao, tokens choose what projects they care for and want audited. The audits process is standardized, automated, and performed by the community, with all services funded by the Dao Treasury. And you know what this is going to do, guys? This is going to make Cardano's DApp marketplace a lot more better, because if you think about it, guys, the Ethereum, I don't know this. Now, I don't know. I could be completely wrong. Ethereum does not have a marketplace that really grades projects, that actually audits them in a way that the community can vote on it. Kind of like Reddit. You know how Reddit, when they have the posts, so you can vote on the posts, and the posts that are the highest rated or whatever are seen as more trustworthy than posts that are kind of lower rated and negatively rated. This is kind of what I'm seeing here. So this is definitely going to be a boon, because we know that once the Plutis application backend comes in, and it makes it easier for people to create decentralized applications on the Cardano blockchain, there's going to be a lot of shit coins out there, guys, a whole lot of shit coins. So this is something that we need. We need audits. We need audits in a decentralized manner. A little bit about the tokenomics before we end the video here. 1 billion tokens are going to be minted, okay, and that's it. It cannot be increased. Scatdao are going to be doing a stake ISPO, okay, so 15% of the tokens will be distributed for free through the stake pool, with the current minimum value to send Cardano native assets will be blah 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 blah. So there will be a ISPO. The treasury is allocated 30% of the tokens. 15 will be sold to create a trading pair, provide liquidity, and fund the treasury. The staking rewards here. So 20% of the total supply will be held by the treasury to pay staking rewards. You could stake a trading pair, SCAT and ADA, to the Scatdao treasury, which the treasury will use to provide liquidity to exchanges. So this is pretty much you're providing liquidity. So you're becoming an LP. If you choose to stake, you will receive 50% of the income generated from your stake, proportional to the amount invested, as well as a 5% API per paid in SCAT. So the token is going to be called SCAT. If 50% of all the tokens staked, the treasury supply will hold enough staking rewards for an 8-year period. After that period, the token holders can vote to pay staking rewards out of the access treasury funds or in staking rewards if they feel the treasury is robust enough not to require any additional staking. So here is the launch of here is the unlock of the devs token supply. Here is the allocation of the token supply here, guys. So yeah, pretty cool. If you guys are interested in this, let me know. And I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, guys. I love you so much. This is Scatdao. Tomorrow we are going to be talking about Pavia, the Cardano metaverse. So stay tuned for that video. I love you guys. Don't let your dreams be dreams. And I will talk to you tomorrow with the VeChain and Cardano updates. Have a great day.